In this application note, we are going to use the AKELA VNA's time domain reflectometry feature to find a loose connector in a long cable. First, we're going to set up the software. Change the display to single graph mode and then select the S11 parameter. Then choose the FFT magnitude display format. Here I'm changing the maximum time to 40 nanoseconds because I know my cable's round-trip length is only 30 nanoseconds. Increasing the number of FFT points gives us more time resolution, and unwrapping the phase shifts the zero time point to the VNA's connector. Here's a picture of what our test cable looks like when connected to the AKELA VNA. It is two 5-foot cables joined together by a connector. In the software we can see two peaks. The large one is the reflection off the end of the cable, and the small one is the reflection off the connector joining the two cables. This means the connector is either bad or just loose. In this example, it is a loose connector, so by tightening it, you can see that its reflection is greatly reduced.